So this is our Echo Dot which we ordered from Amazon. This is how it looks like. So today I'm going to do unboxing of Echo Dot with you guys. Let's just open this and let's see what's there inside the box. So this is what this box looks like. So these are the various apps that you can use with Amazon Echo Dot. And here is our beautiful Echo Dot. Whoa! This looks awesome. So now we are going to install it and then we'll share our feedback. So we have this device here and let me just check what else is there in the box. So there is an adapter with wire, that's it. So these are the two things that we get along with Echo Dot. So we are trying to set up Alexa here. We've downloaded the app.
For help, go to your Alexa app.
Alexa, please play some music.
Wi-Fi isn't set up. For help, go to your Alexa app.
Alexa, please play some Bollywood music.
Bollywood songs from Sawan.
We are just loving our new Echo Dot.